we're doing a pillar delete. So this is going to go black. And the customer wants the dual motor badge removed. So fishing line, not a screwdriver, just fishing line, hook it behind. We have to pick them up in a minute. But nice and easy, keep going. There we go, right. Badge removed, we just leave it like that. There you go, you'll never know. So this is a caramel wheel. It's just rubber. So we can use it to remove the tape, like so, and then we'll just polish this bit of the tailgate and the badge will be gone. Literally as easy as that. And then a bit of glue remover, leave it 5 minutes. Whilst that's doing that, we'll talk to you about this. So, pillar delete. So we're going to wrap this bit gloss black all the way over to the wing to here. The only question we're having is, do we do it to finish in line with this, or do you finish it short? I think we need to finish it here so that it goes and flows. Otherwise it's going to look a bit bizarre. So I know, Pav, you've got a Tesla and we're doing your pillar delete, and I know you subscribed, so at least you'll be able to see what it's like. Rub some glue remover off, and then we'll go and get some 3M high gloss to wrap that. Or we do it satin. No, I think high gloss, go with the roof. Right, rub, rub, rub. See, look, gone. It's like a Mr. Muscle advert. Dun, dun, dun. Right, polisher, job done. Where's the polisher? One little polisher. Oh no, made a mess. It just needs a little polish. Right, one of those, 1G on cloth. Rub, rub, rub. What do we always say?
Stay tidy.
No, brand on brand. So we're using 3M. We're going to clean it with 3M. Otherwise, 3M might watch this video, and if I use the wrong cleaner, they'll say, that's not covered under warranty. Right, cleaning, cleaning. Remember, like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So this is a 2-part cleaner. As I've said before, this is a wax on, wax off jobby. It's not a normal ISO where you just wipe it on and it flashes off. This you have to buff off as well. Make sure we get in all of the cracks and the crannies. And then today's top tip, we need a trim tool. Where's the trim tool? You got a trim tool? Neither have I. Well, this will do the job. We'll use one of these, whatever they're called. And we're going to put that down in there. The crevice is stuck. Oh no. I need to get it in the seal, and then we need to clean behind the seal. The roof one's a bit easier because you can just peel it back. Oh no, I've hit something. I can't get in there. I still can't get in there very well. I need a trim tool. Where's all my trim tools? I buy them in packs of 10, and then you guys all turn up and they all disappear. Do you know what they're called? Boning tool. They're called a boning tool. Where are they all? I didn't find my trim tool, but I found something that, look, this is what we're getting out. Brother, ugh. Okay, so buffing off the 3M, buffing off, buffing off, buffing off, buffing off. Seals are cleaned, everything else is cleaned. We've done on the inside seal, we've done on the roof seal. We've only shown you doing the roof seal, but there we go. Right, material, tape measure, go. 2.7, right. 2.8 by, not a lot. 2.8 by 150? Oh, it's pretty much run out. There you go. Look at that. 3M high gloss and a wrap glove. Remember to shout out the wrap glove. So we're going to do a little stop there, and then we're going to pull it tight. Tight. And why do we pull it tight?
So you put tension in the right places?
Yes. It's going down. Let us know what you think. Yay or nay to black pillars. Dun, 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 dun. We're going this way. We're going that way. Oh no, oh, we got a wrinkle. Oh, right. I'm gonna need a little bit of heat on there just to get that out. Only a little one. Crisis diverted. Feed it in with your nail or the end of a squeegee, whatever you want to do. So, knifeless tape. Pull cord, hold down, voila. Now, before we push that down, we just want to heat it. Need a knife. Cutting against the glass. Where's the joint? Where's the joint? There's the joint. Down here, down, 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 down. That needs to go down a bit. There we go. Now we can cut. Right. So make sure that's in there nicely. It's my concentrating face. Oh yeah. Oh, high gloss. Tucking, 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 tucking. I always prefer to tuck the material under the seal. It does take a little bit longer, but you just get a bit more, you just get a nicer finish. Pillar delete, gloss black pillar delete on a Tesla Model 3. So we've done quite a lot of these. It's a really common mod, makes this whole section look black. If you like this one, remember to like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your dog, share, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.